Hi everybody, today I want to show you how to create a 3D learning unit. Students enter, they see a message, welcome students, complete the different activities before you try to enter the new room. And then students see different activities like word wall, they can start playing. For example, a Quizlet set. For example, just a memory game, any game that you see online. And when they are done, they need to go to the next room, and you can even add a question in order for them to go to the next room and see more activities. This is deck toys, a matching game, Quizlet, and a link to balloon pop of word wall. And in order to go to the next room, students click the arrow and they go to the next room. And you can even add music. So first thing, we want to go to pixexid.com and download some 3D photos. Click 360 and download any photos that you would like to have in your unit. Then you go to Thinglink.com and you start an account. Click Start Now. Make sure you choose Classroom account, not business, not e-learning, but classroom account. That will enable you to work freely with unlimited amount of boards. As you log in, you will see the Create button. Click it and then Upload 360 to upload all the photos that you've downloaded from the 3D website. You click Upload and you need to upload them one by one. So you basically upload one every time, and when it's been uploaded, right after, you click Done and you click the little settings button and you choose public. And you need to do this to each and every picture that you upload. Then you click Save. Only when it is public, other people will be able to see it. In case the public option is not enabled, then go to thinglink.com/edu, and here by clicking the blue button, you'll be able to change your account to a teacher account, a classroom account. So after you've uploaded all the rooms that you'd like to have in your activity, click the little pencil button to edit, and then you'll be able to add notes in pins. So click Add Tag, and the first tag you can add a text label and just write a welcome message. So you can write welcome students, complete the different tasks, and you can change the icon to maybe a question mark or an information icon, and you can pick a color, let's say white, and then done. So the first tag is done. You can see it looks like a little speech bubble. And now you want to add activities. So let's say you want to add a Quizlet set. You click on the three dots under the Quizlet and you will see an Embed option. Then you'll be able to choose the game that you want to embed. So we always want to start with flashcards to let students study. We copy the flashcard code, we go back to the Thinglink, we add a new tag, and then we choose Add Content from Website. We paste the link, and the Quizlet is in. Then we can change the icon and we can call it number 1. Change the color, done. We can drag it and move it to anywhere we want in the room. Okay. Next thing I will show you is how to embed a word wall. You basically enter the word wall and you choose the URL address from the top. You copy, you go to your Thinglink, and here you click Add Tag, and you click Add Text and Media. You paste the link here where it says bottom URL, and you can give it a title. Let's say balloon pop. And then you can write instructions, play the game. Then you change the icon to number 2 because this is your second activity. You choose the color, you click done, and then you have the second activity. In case you want to add a Padlet board, you go to Padlet. On your Padlet, you click Share, Embed, and you copy the embed code. You go back to your Thinglink, add tag, add content from website, and you paste the embed code. You should always look for the little triangles. You pick number 3, white, done. And now you have the Padlet board as well. So note what it looks like. I'm clicking done. You have the regular bubble or label. You have an option to embed with the embed code usually. This is also the embed. Oh, this is the balloon pop. This is a link. That's because Word Wall doesn't always work when you try to embed it. So this is a link. Students click and they go into a different site. Then they have to go back to the Thinglink. So that's the link option. And then you have the embed option to embed a Padlet and also a Quizlet with the embed code. So these are the options. Add tag. This is a link to a different website. This is just a label with some text. And this is a way to embed a website inside the Thinglink. Now we want to go to the next room. So we click Create Tour. And here we click a little arrow. We're going to drag it later next to a certain door. And then we're going to pick the next room. So we want to go to a different room that we did before. We uploaded before. Let's say this one. And we click Done. And that's it. Students will be directed to the next room. I'm going to put this next to a door. And I'm going to move the one a little bit. And then next to the door, we'll have a little arrow. I'm clicking Done. And then students have a little arrow. And they are directed to the new room. And here, we cannot click the pencil and start editing. We have to go back to the main room, the main dashboard. So we click Thinglink. Go back to the main room, find that second room, enter, then we click the pencil and we start adding more and more activities. And again, we can direct our students to the next room and the next room and they'll have a tour. Sometimes we want to start with a puzzle, something that will draw students' attention. And so we can go to jigsawplanet.com, pick a puzzle or upload a puzzle, and then click Share, Embed. And then we scroll down and we go to this code where it says simply copy and paste the entire code. We select, right clear, copy. We go back to Thinglink, click Add Tag, add content from website, and we paste the link. The puzzle is embedded inside, and of course we can always change the icon to number 1, done, and put it here. Then we can use, let's say, this door, and again add tag and create tour to go to the next room. Select scene, and so on and so forth. In order to finish, we go back to the dashboard and choose the very first room. Let's say it was this one. Then we click Share. In the first room, Share, Share Link, Hide. We copy this, and this is what we give to students. We copy this link, and we send this link to students. So a quick reminder, make sure all the rooms in the settings are set to public. And that's it. And that's it. Students get to this page and they start the journey. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial about the 3D learning unit, and I hope you students will enjoy it. See you next time. Bye-bye.